friends, this is Jayashri Patel. Hope you are having a great day. Today's topic is how to manage relationship. Once a father and son went to the kite flying festival. The young son became very happy seeing the sky filled with colorful kites. He too asked his father to get him a kite and a thread with roller so he can fly a kite too. So the father went to the shop at the park where the festival was being held. He purchased kites and a roller of thread for his son. His son started to fly a kite. Soon his kite reached high up in the sky. After a while, the son said, "Father, it seems that the thread is holding up a kite from flying higher. If you break it, it will be free and will go flying even higher. Can we break it?" So the father cut the thread from a roller. The kite started to go a little higher. That made his son very happy. But then slowly the kite started to come down, and soon it fell down on the terrace of the unknown building. The young son was surprised to see this. He had cut the kite loose of its thread so it can fly higher, but instead it fell down. He asked his father, "Father, I thought that after cutting off the thread, the kite can freely fly higher. But why did it fall down?" The father explained, "Son, at the height of the life that we live in, we often think that some things we are tied with and they are preventing us from going further higher. The thread was not holding the kite from going higher, but it was helping it stay higher when the wind slowed down and when the wind picked up. We helped the kite go up higher in a proper direction through the thread only. And when we cut the thread, it fell down without the support you were providing to the kite through the thread." The son realized his mistake. Moral: sometimes we feel that we can progress quickly and reach to the new heights in our life if we are not tied up with our family, our home. But we fail to realize that our family, our loved ones help us to survive the tough time in our lives with their support and encourage us to reach higher heights in our life. They are not holding us but are supporting us. Never let go of them. Relationships are a massive part of our lives. We can't live without them. Of course, sometimes it is very hard to live with them, but in the long run, they are one of the most important things in life and yet also one of the easiest things to neglect. Relationship with friends and family always go through testing times, and there will always be ups and downs. Sometimes they will let you down, and sometimes you will let them down. But by practicing the points below, you can help strengthen those bonds so that the glitches along the way can be smoothed over more quickly. It might be best not to try to do all of these at once. Perhaps just start by picking one or two ideas and work on them with one person and see what happens. In the first of life, we often forget the importance of our relation with friends and family, and this leads us to misery. As per a sage, relations are the most significant part of the life. Keep in touch. Call, text, email, write, meet more often. These days technology makes it so easy to keep in touch, and yet we still find ourselves drifting apart. Technology can help you keep in touch, but it can never replace being together in person. Create quality time. If you haven't had quality time with someone for a while, then arrange to do so. There are some friendships where you might only catch up once a month, others a few times a week. Every relationship different, so figure out who you are neglecting and decide how you can correct this. It can help to pick a friend and think when the last time you had a decent conversation with them was. Remember birthday and other dates. This is important with friends and essential with family. Some people say they aren't concerned whether about people remembering their birthday, but actually everyone appreciates it. How you remember people's birthday, it varies. Depending on how close you are, it might just be a text or a phone call or a present. Listen more. The absolute number one way to improve relationship is to listen more and really listen. If you think people aren't listening to you, then chances are you aren't listening to them either. Set the wheel in motion and listen to them first. Really try to see things from their perspective. If you want people to listen to you, then listen to them first. Try not to take them for granted. It's easy to get a bit too comfortable in some relationship. We get caught up in other areas of our life and forget about some friendship, then wonder why they are for us anymore. Friendship need to be maintained or they will fade away. Open up. Tell them how great they are and how much you love having them as a friend or partner. Be specific. Tell them what it is that you love about them and why that is such a great thing. Do not argue over tiny issues. Relationships play a cardinal role in our lives. They are absolutely essential and we cannot live without them. There comes a time in our life where we get sick of all the relations and we prefer isolation. However, it is not permanent in long run. We need relations and maintaining this relation is the toughest thing. Forget all harsh memories. If you have any grudge and if any other person has any grudges on you, try to resolve it. Remember, you are starting a new life. Listen to the who is angry at you and try to pacify them. Forgive and forget what others have done to you and begin a new era of your relationship. Calling an angry friend of yours or a family member on a dinner or sending them a gift would be a good initiative to strengthen your relationship. Give chances, do not let them go. If someone could not attend your call or did not accept your relation, try again. They might be going through something worse than you can imagine, or they may be busy at the time of your call. Try again to call them and understand their point of view. Likewise, if your parents are nagging you about any safety precautions in your life, do not get irritated. Let them nag and understand them. We live in a society, a world where we all are interconnected. In this interconnectedness, our close relation of friends and family matters a lot in the long run. So give yourself a chance to improve healthy relationship with friends and family. Thanks for watching my video. Hope this video will help you in dealing similar situations. Please check description where link of my previous video is given. Bye. Take care.